Hi everyone, I just wanted to make a little video to explain to you how to use my 5-minute Rantra series. So there are, I think, about 25 Rantras on the website and on YouTube. And what I want you to do is to pick the one that feels most relevant for you right now. If there's something that you're working on and you want some support in shifting it and shifting the energy around it, then choose your video. Listen to that video for 5 minutes every single morning or at some point every single day for at least 21 days. If you can listen to it for longer, even better. Now, it is a cross between a mantra and a rantra. So ideally, you will also speak it out with me. And because of that, I have also put on the website all the scripts. So just drop your email address in below, get the script, and you can read it with me, okay? Because what you're doing is you're training your mind as you work with these rantras. And obviously after you've worked with them for some time, you'll know most of them off by heart. It's a really useful way, and it's a very quick way in the morning or at any point during the day to make your shift. It's a support tool designed for acceptance. Because as you know, if you know how I work, acceptance is the foundation of all integration and alignment.